Progress is a way of life in America, fast-moving and constantly changing. I'm Greg Gumbel, and from business to technology, from the bustling cities to the peaceful suburbs, we're going to take you coast to coast, showing you today what you're going to be talking about tomorrow. Welcome to Eye on America. One of the most important ways of helping the environment is to make more effective use out of products we use and tend to throw away. Let's take a closer look at a less wasteful solution.
Shipping pallets play an integral role in the transportation of goods worldwide. Pallets are a $6 billion annual industry in the U.S., and according to the USDA, over 500 million pallets are manufactured here each year. 57% of these pallets are used just once before being discarded in a landfill. With a focus on sustainability, more businesses are opting for a green solution.
Greystone Logistics manufactures 100% recycled plastic shipping pallets for a variety of industries. Last year, we utilized over 30 million pounds of recycled plastic for such customers as Miller Brewing, Coors Brewing, Apotex, and hundreds of others.
Using upwards of 30 million pounds annually of post-industrial plastic that otherwise may have ended up in landfills, Greystone Logistics provides major corporations like Miller and Coors Brewing Companies with pallet solutions.
Miller Brewing Company was the first major company to do business with Greystone Logistics. More than 8 years ago, we placed our first order for 13,000 pallets. And since that time, we've grown to 2.5 million pallets of 100% recycled plastic.
Coors Brewing decided to displace their plastic slip sheets and their wood for a variety of reasons. They were utilizing much more automated equipment, and they wanted to utilize something that was standard all the time. They wanted something that was clean, something that was hygienically correct.
The manufacturing process begins with the proper selection and blending of the raw materials. The resin blend is then heated and injected into a mold designed for the proper size and function of the pallet. A freezer or fire-resistant component can be added according to the customer's needs. Once the standardized pallet parts are molded, fiberglass I-beams are added for strength and stiffness. Anti-skid grommets are installed, and the component parts are snapped together.
Recycled plastic shipping pallets are significantly less expensive than wood. They last 7 to 10 times longer, and at the end of their useful life, when they are damaged by a fork truck, they can be ground up and utilized once again. Each 50 pounds of plastic prevents 50 pounds of wood from deforestation, and our plastic can be used again and again.
Like many companies, Miller is concerned about its environmental footprint, but we recognize that we can't do it on our own. We need to partner with suppliers like Greystone in coming up with creative solutions to improve or reduce our impact on the environment.
As wood pallets move through their life cycle from a new pallet to a used pallet, they are repaired and put back in service until they are landfilled or used as wood compost. With plastic pallets, however, there is still a residual value at the end of their useful life.
Here at Greystone, we make a pallet that's made from 100% recycled plastic, and that plastic is still an asset. It is still valuable to us at the end of life of this pallet. We reuse the fiberglass rods, we use the grommets, and we will buy the plastic back at residual value for scrap plastic at the time that the plastic is returned to us. In my efforts in selling the Greystone pallet, we see more and more large corporations looking at sustainable efforts. Greystone itself used 30 million pounds of plastic last year in our production process that would have ended up in landfills. We think we're doing our part, and we ask for all major corporations to do their part.
If you would like to learn more about this story, please visit Greystone Logistics at www.greystonelegistics.com.